Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Oilprice app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Oilprice is a market-focused app designed to provide real-time data on global oil prices, energy news, and commodity trends. It covers key benchmarks like Brent Crude, WTI, and natural gas, along with geopolitical news that impacts the oil and gas industry. Users can customize alerts, view charts, access expert analysis, and follow market developments all in one place. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is cleanly designed and responsive, with most users praising the real-time updates and breadth of information available. Charts load quickly, and the personalized watch list helps track favorite commodities with ease. Push notifications about major market shifts are timely and relevant, especially for investors and industry professionals. That said, there are a few drawbacks. Some users report occasional delays in news loading or prices not syncing in real time during high traffic hours. Ads in the free version can feel intrusive, and there's limited offline functionality. The interface could also benefit from more filter and sorting options, especially in the news section. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Oilprice is a powerful tool for anyone tracking global energy markets. Whether you're an investor, analyst, or just curious about oil trends, it delivers solid value with up-to-date information and relevant insights. Just be aware of its minor limitations and consider the premium version for an ad-free experience. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.